Hello viewers, let's see how to delete one more or all contact from Google account. Remember, I'm not talking about phone memory. So first click your contact or phone book, and if you click above, you can see your Gmail address containing your numbers. If I click picture, so I can see the detail of my Google record. Let's leave it and come and click your Gmail. When it opens, so simply click your picture, and in picture come down to click Google account. Now come down and click people and sharing. Open it. Now scroll down once again and click contacts. Now I have 12 contacts available on Google record. Now these are the phone numbers. So long click upon the number which you wanna delete, and when it highlighted, tick mark inside the box. One is selected. Now go up and click this downward arrow. Open it and click select all to select all the contacts. Now scroll parallel to other side and click these three dots. When it open, so click delete. Now you will see move to the bin, and in 30 days it will automatically be deleted from Google. But let me cancel it, and let's go to deselect all and delete one. So click this downward arrow and click none. Now all the contacts are free. Let me once again long click on any single contact and then tick mark in the small box in front of it. Now scroll exactly parallel to the other side and click these three dots. After opening these three dots, simply select delete. And after deletion, the same process for one or more deletion. Click move to bin, and in 30 days it will go out of the bin, but let's go and finish it. Click these three lines or three dots and come down, click bin. When bin open, so you will see empty bin at the top. Click it and once again empty the bin. Now click continue, and it will ask for password, pattern, pin, etc. Provide that, and the contact has been successfully deleted from Google account. Thanks for watching.